Why did DFW Airport decide to scrap the proposed Muslim washing stations after public scrutiny? Why did Dallas-Fort Worth Airport decide to scrap the proposed Muslim washing stations after public scrutiny? This decision comes amid intense political pressure that could reshape airport funding in Texas. You need to know what triggered this swift reversal. Texas Governor Greg Abbott publicly threatened Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport and Houston's George Bush Intercontinental Airport with revoking state grants due to the installation of Muslim ablution facilities. Abbott claims these religious accommodations amount to illegal discrimination. This threat forced DFW Airport to scrap its proposed washing stations to avoid losing crucial state funding. The governor also ordered a review of all state grants to airports citing concerns over religious discrimination, putting pressure on airports statewide. Facing the governor's direct threats and public scrutiny, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport decided to cancel the proposed Muslim washing stations. This move reflects the high stakes involved, as airports rely heavily on state grants for operations and expansions. Unlike Houston's George Bush Intercontinental Airport, which has maintained ablution facilities since 2024, DFW chose to avoid conflict by withdrawing its plans amid the controversy. This illustrates how political pressures can directly shape airport policies on religious accommodations. The removal of proposed washing stations at DFW Airport affects Muslim travelers who rely on ablution facilities for religious practices before prayers. While Houston's George Bush Intercontinental Airport has had such facilities since 2024, DFW's cancellation limits options for Muslim passengers in one of the nation's busiest airports. This decision could be seen as reducing inclusivity and religious accommodation in public spaces, raising broader questions about faith-based services at transportation hubs. Governor Abbott's administration launched a comprehensive review of all state grants provided to airports in Texas. This review targets any potential illegal religious discrimination, focusing especially on accommodations like public washing areas for Muslim travelers. The scrutiny affects major airports including Houston's George Bush Intercontinental and Dallas-Fort Worth International. This move signals that future funding may hinge on how airports handle religious accommodations, potentially reshaping airport policies across the state. With the governor threatening to revoke state grants and launching investigations, Texas airports now face uncertainty regarding funding tied to religious accommodation policies. Airports must weigh the risk of public backlash and political pressure against serving diverse passenger needs. This could lead some airports to avoid implementing or maintaining religious facilities to secure funding, while others may challenge the governor's stance legally or politically. The outcome will significantly affect airport operations and passenger experiences statewide. What this means for you is that decisions at airports you travel through may change quickly due to political pressures. If you are a Muslim traveler, you might find fewer religious accommodations at major Texas airports like DFW. More broadly, this situation highlights how politics can impact public services you rely on. Stay informed and subscribe to get updates on how this story develops and affects your travel plans.